How to swap Ethereum to Sol on Phantom Wallet 2025. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you quickly on how you can swap your cryptocurrency specifically from Ethereum to Solana. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to swap. And once you do that, we have Sol over here. So I'm going to switch that up. And now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to choose the current assets that you have. Now, currently, obviously, I don't have any assets as so, but obviously, if you have Ethereum, simply search it up over here. And once you search your Ethereum asset up, what you're simply going to do over here is go ahead and write how much you're going to be paying. And once you do that, that should go ahead and swap from your Ethereum that you're paying to Solana. So that is pretty much how you can go ahead and swap Ethereum to Solana in Phantom Wallet in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.